This is the parameters and the interesting kind of nuances about the client and the transactional data in the marketplace, which force us to make this decision, right? But again, all that is part of a second brain. So when you're dealing with the next client, that looks very similar to this previous client that we worked on in terms of just the transactional volume and trends and the market dynamics, et cetera, we'll know that this is the right modeling to use, right? And that just simply accelerates just a lot of the testing that you would typically do with some of the price elasticity models that have been built in the past, right? Okay. And then maybe the last one before I'll just pass it on to Rico. So again, this is that wrap up that I talked about, right? When we work on a project, and in your case, if you work on a project for your own internal company, let's say you're working on some price optimization opportunity, right? You're using AI, you want to wrap up that session, which is this third piece, right? So writes that wrap up. So the next time you want to revisit, let's say you go home, get some good sleep, come back tomorrow, you want to continue working on the project.